Paging Aitken Robertson to courtroom number 2. The jury is back with a verdict. Members of the jury, how do you find the accused? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty on all accounts, Your Honor.
Welcome to Legally Speaking, the YouTube channel brought to you by Aitken Robertson. I'm Melanie Van Aarde, your host and paralegal at Aitken Robertson. Today we are diving into a crucial and sensitive topic, historical sexual assault. Joining us for this important conversation is counsel Richard Aitken. So if you want to understand more about the legal aspects, the challenges and considerations surrounding historical sexual assault cases, stay tuned for some valuable insight and legal guidance. Hi, Richard.
Morning, Mel.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Yourself?
I'm doing well, thank you. Richard, have you ever defended someone who was charged with a sexual assault and it's claimed that it happened a really long time ago?
Sure. Several times, going back 20, 30, even 40 years sometimes.
Well, tell us a little bit more.
Well, these are difficult cases for the Crown, so preparation is the key. Usually for that kind of case, unless there's a confession of some sort by the accused, the case for the Crown is very, very problematic. Be fair, sometimes there's an eyewitness or there may be some other kind of corroboration, but the key to the case that old by the Crown that they're prosecuting is some kind of a statement by the confession by the accused. So the essential thing is to make sure such a statement is never ever made.
What are some of the challenges that you've explained some of the challenges that the Crown face, but what other challenges does the Crown face in these cases?
Well, obviously, memories fade over the years. Also, witnesses disappear. They may move, they may die, they may forget, documents may be lost. All that can help the defense or it can help the Crown, but certainly it makes it a much more problematic prosecution. As well, there's other complications. People during their lives sometimes experience stress. Sometimes they can believe that the stress relates to events earlier in their lives. And occasionally there are such situations as false memory syndrome. It may be people plant intentionally or unintentionally ideas in other people's heads. Eventually it turns into a situation and a charge.
So, Richard, aside from the criminal aspect and facing these criminal charges, can a victim also sue an accused in the civil realm?
They can. There is no statute of limitation in the criminal sense. So even if a matter is 40 years old, assuming there's sufficient proof, a person could be prosecuted and charged. On the civil side, there's no statute of limitations either, at least for sex assaults. So it's quite possible that person could be sued civilly. It's an easier case to make on the civil side. For a criminal case, the standard of proof is beyond a reasonable doubt, which is close to certainty, but not quite there. On the civil side, it's only 50% plus one. In other words, on a balance of probabilities. In certain situations, an alleged victim may decide it makes more sense to proceed in civil courts as to oppose to someone that's charged criminally.
Thank you so much, Richard, for joining us today. And thank you to everyone else for joining us on the Legally Speaking Aitken Robertson YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, take care. Thank you for tuning in to Legally Speaking, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Defence. We represent clients facing criminal charges all over Ontario, providing you with legal support and dedicated advocacy. If you enjoyed this episode and want to see more content, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website. We also offer free books on various types of criminal charges, which you can request on our website. or by using the QR codes on your screen now. For legal assistance, call us today or visit our website to request a meeting with one of our experienced lawyers or licensed paralegals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Legally Speaking.